This year, you might be spending Thanksgiving in a home that you rent. But on this episode, we're going to show you the exact steps you can take to make sure that you spend next Thanksgiving in a home that you own. Welcome to the Homeowner Prep podcast, where every week we educate and encourage aspiring homeowners to help them buy their first home faster. If you aspire to own a home, you're in the right place, so enjoy. Do us a favor and leave a review, a rating, and be sure to subscribe. Now let's get to this week's episode. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Homeowner Prep podcast. I'm your host, Eric Halan, and I just want to start out by saying Happy Thanksgiving. I am a big fan of Thanksgiving because I truly believe in giving thanks and being grateful and showing gratitude for all the many blessings and the things that have come throughout the year. So I'm a big fan of Thanksgiving. I know the majority of the country kind of skips past Thanksgiving, jumps right into Christmas, but I love the time of gathering together, giving thanks, and again, showing that gratitude one to another. So happy Thanksgiving. On this episode, I want to talk to you about how to make sure that you spend next Thanksgiving in a home that you own. If you have a goal of becoming a homeowner, there are certain things that you absolutely have to do and have to get in line almost a year in advance and sometimes even further. But you have to start working on those things right now. So I'm going to just kind of highlight a couple of basic points that you need to focus on so you can buy your first home and spend next Thanksgiving cooking your family a meal in a home that you own. The first thing you have to do, which is very, very important, is you have to cast a vision of yourself in your own home. See yourself there. See your family gathering together. See yourself in the kitchen cooking or helping out with whoever's doing the cooking. Cast that vision for yourself and your family to see yourself in the type of home, the type of community. Do you have two stories or is it a single story? Cast that vision of what your home looks like because it's very important that you know exactly where you're going so you can take the necessary steps to get there. Without a vision, the people will perish. That is a biblical scripture. And I am truly a believer in knowing that if you create that vision for yourself and your family, you're going to get there. Second to a vision is definitely creating and writing down your goals. Goals are vital. Most people do not have goals for their life. Only 3% of people have written goals. So it's important that as you're casting a vision, seeing yourself in the type of home you have, then as you're putting a plan together to say, that's where I want to be, how do I get there? You'll be able to set some milestones. Those milestones are your goals. They may be short-term, they may be 3 months, 6 months, or even a year out. But if you have a credit score of say a 550 and you want to get to a 680, there's specific steps that you need to take to get there. If you have only $1,000 saved up and you need to save $30,000, what are the steps that you need to take in order to get there? You need to write down the goal of saving $30,000 or getting your credit to 680, whatever that goal may be. You need to write it down and you need to see it every day. Now, once you cast the vision and you wrote down your goals, now it's about putting a plan together to help you take the necessary steps to get there. Having a goal is great, but if you're not taking action, it's just a pipe dream. There's no effort behind those written words. And so it's very important that you not only gain the knowledge and have the goals and have the vision, but to actually put the plan together and take the necessary actions to get there are vitally important. That's where having a coach and some accountability will help you get there sooner. So if you need help in putting a plan together to go from where you're at to where you want to be, which is in your own home by next Thanksgiving, reach out to us. We can help you put that plan together and hold you accountable to make sure you get there. To get started with Homeowner Prep, you can text the word START to 619-848-3700, or you can visit us on our website at homeownerprep.com/start. From there, you can set up that initial consultation and we'll help you put that plan together. If you just have a general question or a scenario that you want to run by us, feel free to reach out to us on social media. We're on all the social media channels, but we tend to get the majority of our questions on our Instagram account at Homeowner Prep. I hope you learn the importance of casting a vision, setting your goals, and putting a plan together. That'll help you get to owning your home by next Thanksgiving and cooking your family a great meal in a home that you own. I look forward to providing you with some more great content on the next episode. And until then, be blessed. If you've enjoyed this show and got some great value from it, please be sure to rate and review. And if you're checking it out on YouTube, please be sure to subscribe. That really does help us to continue the show and bring in some great guests to help you on your home buying journey.